Have you ever wondered how a barren piece of land transforms into a lush green football field? It's not magic, but a meticulous process that involves a great deal of planning, precision, and of course, heavy equipment. The journey of a football field begins with an idea, a vision of a space where athletes will compete and spectators will cheer. The first step of this journey is site selection and survey. It involves identifying a suitable piece of land, followed by a thorough survey to map the topography and understand the soil composition. This is critical to ensure optimal drainage and a level playing field. Next comes the design phase. Here, architects and engineers work together to create a blueprint of the field, factoring in elements such as the size of the field, the orientation, the drainage system, and the type of grass to be used. This step is akin to painting a picture, albeit with mathematical precision. The real action begins with the excavation process. Heavy machinery such as bulldozers, excavators, and graders are brought in to shape the land according to the blueprint. The soil is dug, moved, and graded to achieve the desired level and slope of the field. Following the excavation, a drainage system is installed. This includes laying down a network of pipes and gravel to ensure rainwater is efficiently drained away from the field, preventing waterlogging and maintaining the integrity of the turf. Once the drainage system is in place, the land is prepared for the turf. This involves adding a layer of sand, followed by topsoil, which is carefully graded and compacted. This lays the foundation for a healthy, green turf. The next step is the installation of the turf. It could either be natural grass or artificial turf, depending on the design. For natural grass, the field is seeded, watered, and nurtured until a lush, green carpet of grass covers the field. Finally, the field is marked according to the rules of the game. Goal posts are installed and the lines are painted with precision. And just like that, a piece of barren land is transformed into a football field, ready to witness the thrill of the game. To summarize, the construction of a football field is a meticulous process, starting from site selection and survey to the final marking of the field. It involves a blend of art and science, requiring the skills of architects, engineers, and construction workers, and the power of heavy machinery. This transformation is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of teamwork. So next time when you see a football field, remember the hard work, precision, and planning that went into its creation.